Look who it is. Meckity has paid a visit. Just found another ex-Christmas tree, a potted one. Picea glauca, left at the other side of the road near the bin, so I had that. Had to ask someone down the road, Rob, he has a cab, a black people carrier, because there's a particular woman that I hadn't seen since last year, and she had a cat, I don't know whether she took it with her, and just got a dog, and she just moved to Streatham, so it's just as well I talked to Rob because I thought something bad had happened. And Meckity's here. And this was the whole idea of having the bicky tin, really. But that's all she's getting now. As you can see, we've got a barrel in here now, so this is the first time Meckity's been in, or Bas, the first time she's been in the greenhouse, fixed and complete. I'll let her have a sniff around. She's having a good sniff. That's full of water. Maybe not the best idea having a water source or something that could make the greenhouse damp, but well, for now it's in here until I'm proved otherwise. And we've got a load of bricks and fire bricks, so it's raised up. Oh dear. Oh. While I'm at it, I'll do a short update here. Christmas tree shreddings 2025. As you can see, I've been putting Christmas tree shreddings down. We've got one trunk there and one there. I've got more trunks that need to be put down. You can see last year's wood that will rot down into the ground eventually, so that's good and thick now. I can just leave this lovely and thick. And we've got this section as well. I need to get a spade or something out and start planting the ferns around the tree. Hopefully they won't smother it, but I've got some ferns and stuff to go in, and I've got to get more wooden trunks. All this shit has got to go. I'm literally going to have to bag all this old cardboard and crap up in black bags. I can't leave it there any longer. But it's good to see Meckity again. She's very wild, she's friendly, she's lovely and cuddly, but she's an outdoor cat, she's not an indoor cat. And this is the tree I just found. I'm going to cut some of the dead bits off. It's probably going to go over the allotment. I don't think I'm going to have it here. I should actually get the one from upstairs and take both of them to the gaff, and then I'll move them to the allotment and plant them. It's good to see Meckity again. That's the rosemary. Let's hope it's good and strong. Also the cordyline red star seems to be doing well too. But this is the main thing, the Christmas tree shreddings are going down. I need to get more bark mulch, and what I'll do, I'll pick all this rubble and crap up, and then I'm going to get bark mulch. I'm going to bark mulch this section around, sod it, and that's what I said with the gaff. The garden will eventually develop itself. Lovely cat. She's a bit of a free spirit, that one. These have got to go in. Probably have to try and keep that reduced in size, and if that does grow, it'll be long dead and gone before it actually comes to anything. And we've got another Picea Conica glauca, at least I think it is, or it might be a different version, a slightly different variety, but I'm going to put that in as well. There's a couple of normal ferns, I might bury them over there, I don't know. Don't really know what else there isn't really that much more, to be honest. Like I said, I took a few bricks from here and put them under this barrel that I got, and yeah, this is still here. The fruit trees have still got to go over the plot, but it's really not my priority right now. Lucy's still about. I haven't done an update for a while, and it's really only a random update because I have done some bits and Meckity has showed up, so I thought I'd do a quick update. But yeah, I'm planting a few conifers at the moment, and I'm shredding Christmas trees up as well. So I'll probably do another 4 Christmas trees and then knock it on the head, because the rest is all going to be bark mulch from Wood. See, I got it right in the end, Wood. Woodchip and bark mulch. Anyway, quick update. Or at least Meckity's happy. And I'll catch on the next garden update. Hopefully it won't, well, we'll have to see. And Tony Patience band at the Swan tonight, so I'm hoping to see Tony P.